Useful bar with your own hands. Peanut paste 250 grams. Add 100 grams of almond flour. Add 50 grams of your favorite sweetener. Mix everything well until homogeneous. Prepare a suitable mold. Spoon the mixture into the mold. Spread over the entire area of the mold. Melt 1 sugar-free chocolate bar. Pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the chocolate. Stir to mix well. Cover with a layer of chocolate. Cover with food wrap and place in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Cut into serving pieces. Bon appétit! A very tasty and simple chocolate dessert. Break 2 ripe bananas and place in a blender. Grind the bananas to the state of puree. Add 200 grams of sugar-free dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate. Mix the mashed bananas and liquid chocolate. Mix everything well. Transfer the mixture into a suitable mold. Place in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Cut into serving pieces. Bon appétit! Break 2 ripe bananas into a blender. Crack 2 chicken eggs. 40 grams of cocoa powder. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Chop all the ingredients in the blender. Pour the liquid dough into a baking mold. My mold is 16 centimeters in diameter. Send the brownies to bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Put 50 grams of dark chocolate on the still hot brownie and after 2 minutes spread it.
Bon appétit!